Hello, I am Andrew Murtis, and this is my weather forecast of January 4th, 2003. We have two high-pressure systems, one located in Utah and another one located in southern Mississippi. The weather they will bring is clear skies, and they are cold air, so they will stay toward the ground, so it might be a little hazy. There are two low-pressure systems, and one's located in the Atlantic Ocean, and another one is located in Minnesota. The weather they will bring is rain and storms, and they are hot air, so the air is rising. There are three fronts on this map. They are cold front, warm front, and stationary front. The cold front is located in the Pacific Ocean and is traveling toward Wyoming and Oregon. It will bring cold air and clear skies. The warm front is located in Nebraska and South Dakota. It is traveling to Iowa and Minnesota. It will bring rain. The stationary front is in North Dakota, and it won't travel anywhere because it's a warm and a cold front combined, so it's what they call a standoff. So none of them will move. And the weather it will bring is rain and fog. The isobars are the red lines around the low and high pressure system. The numbers on the isobars are how cold and hot they are. The higher they get, the colder the areas are. The lower they get, the warmer they are. The average isobar temperature is 1013. The farther the isobars are from each other, like here, the weaker the winds get. The closer they are, like here, the stronger the winds are. There is some precipitation in the northeast part of the United States because there is a low pressure system which causes rain and storms. There's a little bit of precipitation in Wyoming and Oregon because there is a low pressure system above it in Canada. The maximum temperature for the north of the United States is 30 to 40 degrees, and the minimum for the north is 20 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The maximum for the east is 50 to 70 degrees, and the minimum for the east is 30 to 40 degrees. The maximum for the west for the south is 60 to 70 degrees, and the minimum for the south is 30 to 40 degrees. The maximum for the west is 60 to 70 degrees, and the minimum is 50 to 40 degrees. The map is color-coded, so I told the temperatures because of the bar down here. Air masses. There are 4 different kinds of air masses. Air masses are large bodies of air. They are classified by temperature and humidity. And marine is an air mass that's on the water. Continental is an air mass that's always on land. And tropical is an air mass that comes from the southern half of the world. and polar is from the northern half of the world. So marine tropical comes from the bottom of the earth and water, those two. Marine polar comes from the top of the earth and from the water, it's also two. Continental tropical is on the land from the southern half of the world. And continental polar comes from the top half of the world and it's on the land.